EMS Consulting Group has been in business for over 20 years, and during that time, we have learned a lot about the needs of our clients. Since 2009, we have offered e-learning and have improved our approach over time. Our e-learning is a great way to learn and apply the concepts of Lean and Six Sigma. Our e-learning is not the run-of-the-mill set of PowerPoint slides. Instead, we use a combination of conceptual learning with storytelling and dialogues to illustrate concepts. It can be supplemented with live coaching, either provided by us or internally, to enhance the learning further. Let's talk just a bit about our offerings. We have several certification programs, including Certified Lean Practitioner, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt. We have a Lean Healthcare Certificate Program, Lean Leadership Program, and a Lean Software Development Certificate Program. In addition to these, we have more focused programs such as A3 Problem Solving, Value Stream Mapping, 5S, Standard Work, Kanban and Pull Systems, Continuous Flow Manufacturing, and many more. You might be wondering how to get started with our e-learning. A great way to get started is to take our free trial. There is no obligation or credit card needed. Just click the link on the top right of your screen or in the description of this video to sign up. Then you can see how our system works for yourself. Our free trial includes a little course content from each of our major programs for you to check out. What about the benefits of e-learning? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring training at a particular time of day or for an entire day, participants can go at their own pace and access the system 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Next is cost. E-learning is much less expensive than any form of live training. When supplemented with live training, the total cost is still significantly lower. Finally, convenience. If you have team members in multiple locations, e-learning can make life easier. All of these benefits combined provide more value for you, the client.